Hey guys, good morning. Happy Independence Day. Happy 4th of July. I am en route to meet some friends and heading down to kayak the Hiwassee River. So we're going to float the upper portion from the Powerhouse down into Reliance, Tennessee. And then we're going to paddle on down to 411 Bridge, just past Gee Creek. Hey guys, Krista, Marc, hey. Sarah, where'd you go? And Abby, right?
Yes.
Got it right. All right, cool. So we're at the Hiwassee at the Powerhouse. We're going to float on down to Gee Creek. So let's go have fun.
Yeah, see you on the other side.
Hopefully this camera will survive. Have a good day, right? All right, the boat's down. I've got carabiners in the seat. Cooler's carabinered in once. Will be more than that. Water bags for my phone. And Marc has got his stuff here, some of his stuff here, and we're about to go hit the water. Here we go. Good job. It looks like it.
I think this is, there's a couple places where the river kind of cuts right. There's an island, and so it pushes right. So if you're not careful, it'll push you up against the island.
Where? Oh, okay. Yeah, I know, it's good. Hey guys, I'm still on the Hiwassee. Just finished the upper part. Just floated right on by the Hiwassee Outfitters, and Flip Flop Burger was just over there on my right hand side, right side river. So heading down toward Gee Creek now. The GoPro that I had on my kayak is gone. I had a slight spill back at one of the rapids, and I guess it fell off. I don't know why it fell off, but it did. But that's okay. I didn't have it tethered, and that's my fault. But I do have my second GoPro in my storage here. It stopped working. I think it got a little too wet, so we will see if I can salvage that video and make this work. So we'll see what I can do. Anyway, just wanted to throw that out there. See y'all a little later. Man, this is such a beautiful place. Oh my goodness. I've been here many years ago, but oh my gosh, I forgot how much fun this was. But this is my first time floating the lower Hiwassee area, so this is all new to me. So, but hey, it's been great. It's been fun. Man, it's kind of like hiking. You know, you get to the end of the trail and you want a little bit more. You get to the end of the river and you want a little bit more.
Could you do that?
I thought she was waving. She was just batting off the mosquitoes. Did too.
You can do it, Sarah. Never swum a rapid before.
Really?
And so we're out on the Green River, and there's the rapid, and it's like this times about 100. Like it was a swimmable rapid, but it was recording. Water
All right.
good.
So we took a little break on this little shoal here to stretch our legs, bathroom break, and Mark and Abby are going to swim down these rapids up here, up there that we just came through. I don't think they're up there yet, but we'll see. Been a good day though.
Awesome day.
Awesome day. Been a great day.
Yes.
Make
We
a
made
great day
today.
Make a great day.
I've got a crummy job, and it don't pay near enough to buy the things it takes to win me some of your love. Every time I turn around.
All right, so we're nearing Gee Creek takeout. We're going to take that takeout instead of the 411 takeout, which should be just right up here if I'm not mistaken. Might have to look at my maps and see where I dropped a pin, but it's been a great float. Highly recommend coming and floating the Hiwassee. If you want to do just a nice float with a couple class 1, 2 wavy areas, the lower Hiwassee is amazing. Be great for your family. If you want to do the upper Hiwassee where there's a little bit more intense stuff, you can do a raft float from either of the outfitters down here in the Reliance, and they'll take you upstream and guide you down back to where you started. Yeah, I mean, oh my gosh, what an amazing day. I'm so happy to be here today floating Hiwassee River. Pretty freaking badass, I will say that. What an amazing day on the river. We just got off, heard some thunder, perfect timing. It's about 10 after 7. Not a bad float, right?
No, awesome.
Yeah, so
Awesome float.
we're gonna go back up to the Powerhouse, get our truck, come back and load these boats up.